being able to make a connection and make a difference in somebody else's life is important to me.
If you know that you like science or like anatomy, that's how I was. Or if you just know you want to go like into the medical field, it's definitely a great choice.
I was looking for a small school. I wanted more one-on-one, hands-on. I like being 1 in 8 versus 1 in 300.
So when I was looking into it, probably the biggest thing was the bachelor's degree. I know that a lot of the tech schools have like year or 2-year associates you can go for, but I wanted to go for my bachelor's.
The SCAN lab, a lot of other schools did not have that, and I really got drawn to that because it's a great opportunity to be able to get your hands on stuff before going into clinical.
The SCAN lab really does help because you aren't on patients, you're just on your fellow classmates. It's so carefree, and it helps you just learn and hone in on those basics that you need for ultrasound.
Every single person who has come out of this program has absolutely loved it. Everyone I've talked to in the sonography field loves their job, loves what they do.
The thing I love most about DMS is the variety that I get to see on a day-to-day basis. We scan everything. We do vessels and the brain and the legs and the arms. It's awesome.
We will scan anything if we have to. Like, we can even scan like the brain, and it's really cool because that kind of catches people off guard. They're like, what, you can do that?
You're always learning. There's never a day where you don't find something out, find something new.
For our program, what I noticed was different compared to others is we are segued immediately into the different rotations, the clinical rotations.
It's a mix of classes and clinical, so we get to learn about what we're going through in the classroom setting, and then the next day we go into the clinical setting and see it firsthand.
Every site, even though it's a little bit different, it still gives you that good variety at a clinic, at a hospital, at a vascular lab, doing veins, at a OB clinic.
We switch places every 8 weeks. We switch sites, so I've been to quite a few sites now.
I obviously love everything about it. Like I said, the technology is so cool. We don't use radiation, we just use sound waves, and the sound waves help like send waves into your body, and then the waves echo back, and that helps create our image on the screen.
That's what we go to school for. We learn how to see what's on the screen, because to most people it just looks like black and white, like it looks like a blob on the screen. But we've learned how to read it and learned like how to detect like pathology, and then we kind of work it like a puzzle.
You're comparing their labs, their history. You're using their whole life story kind of, so you know what's going on with them.
The program is definitely worth it if you are detail-oriented and enjoy investigative work.
You have to be patient with yourself. You need to be willing to learn.
There's a lot that goes into DMS. It's a lot of studying, it's a lot of hard work, it's a lot physically, emotionally. Like it's a program that's worth it if you are willing to put in the time and the effort.